Altaqua is built on a 16-year history of manufacturing HVAC and refrigeration products and works closely with commercial project customers for the long term. In 2019, Altaqua began to promote the grow room HVAC systems to commercial growers with his long-term experience in the indoor swimming pool industry, which has strict requirements similar to those of commercial indoor grow applications. Both applications must deal with high latent loads of moisture in the air and require high-duty equipment withstanding highly corrosive elements. Altaqua builds long-term partnerships with customers to gain deep insights into customer needs and experiences with its grow room HVAC systems. The close relationship with customers provides direct feedback and observations of what works and what doesn't in the extreme secrecy industry. It helps us to fine-tune system performance further and customize components and control algorithms to deliver precisely what grow rooms need to maximize plant yield and quality. Altaqua provides factory direct service to our customers from pre-sale to installation, debugging, maintenance, and service. All the HVAC systems we manufacture are tested strictly and initialized by a factory employee before delivery. This high-level integrated system provides the best control of humidity, temperature, and airflow in a single piece of equipment as the best way to manage the grow room environment. Altaqua is committed to providing HVAC systems and dehumidification equipment that exceed industry standards to meet the stringent performance and reliability requirements of commercial growers. From the careful selection of raw materials to precision machining and assembly, our manufacturing process is rigorously quality controlled to ensure superior performance, durability, and reliability in every product. With innovative designs, rigorous testing, and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, we provide our customers with solutions they can trust to perform in even the most challenging environments. Altaqua holds 69 patents and is accredited by D&B and ETL, meeting ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 5001 standards. This reflects our dedication to quality, sustainability, and safety, reinforcing our reputation as a trusted global brand. Our achievements aim to deliver efficient, reliable solutions that empower our customers to thrive. Altaqua is open to sharing the technology and experience of controlling the grow room environment well with cannabis owners, executives, master growers, HVAC engineers, installation contractors, and related technical specialists and stakeholders. We want to bring total environmental control to every commercial-scale grow room with unprecedented precision and ease. We believe in building strong relationships with our clients, and we regularly invite partners from around the world to visit our factory. These visits allow customers to see firsthand the production processes and interact with our team, ensuring our products meet their exact specifications and expectations. Our products are trusted by customers in a wide range of projects worldwide. Whether it's a greenhouse or a high-tech grow room, our HVAC systems and dehumidifiers provide the ideal environment for plant growth. In this section, we will showcase some of our customer projects, including real-world footage of successful installations and the outstanding performance of our systems in various environments. Altaqua is always in close contact with our customers. We communicate regularly with our customers to understand their needs and feedback to ensure that our products and services consistently meet their expectations. When we have the opportunity, we also visit our customers' sites to inspect their equipment, ensure that our products are operating efficiently, and meet with them face-to-face to further optimize our solutions.